Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my first PC build. My laptop from 2009 no longer had the processing power or the RAM to handle today's video editing software, so I decided to go on YouTube, start looking at tutorials on how to build my own PC. I stumbled onto Kingston Technology's PC build for 4K video editing on a $1,000 budget.
Hey everybody, my name is Trisha Hirschberger and you are watching DIY in 5.
Now, I definitely went over budget with my project, but remember, you get what you pay for. So check it out. For the processor, I decided on an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 6-core 12-thread unlocked desktop processor with Wraith stealth cooler. For the motherboard, went with a Gigabyte X570 UD
Ultra durable
AMD Ryzen 3000 gaming motherboard. For RAM, we went with the HyperX Fury 32GB 2400 MHz DDR4 CL15 DIMM kit of 2 for a total of 64 GB RAM. After watching the Kingston Technology video, I decided to go with SSD Memory as my hard drive. I went with the Kingston 1TB internal SSD PCIe SA2000 M8 over 1000G. I really wanted monitors with DisplayPort and needed a video card that could support that, so I went with the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 6GB GDDR6 192-bit HDMI DisplayPort Ray Tracing Turing Architecture VR-ready graphics card. Hey, there's my helper! For the PSU, we decided to go with the Seasonic Focus GX750 750-watt 80+ gold full modular fan control with the fanless, silent, and cooling modes. For the case, we decided to go with the Phanteks Eclipse PHEC 300 PTG BK Steel ATX mid-tower tempered glass case, black, and it is sweet. There are 2 hard drive slots with pull-out trays at the bottom of the Eclipse. In there, you'll find a hardware accessory box.
Here is the motherboard
With case components and case lighting plugged in. The Ryzen 5 processor heatsink comes pre-lubricated. You can see where I dipped my finger. I made a mistake here installing the fan with the AMD logo to the right, which covers the DDR4 A1 slot. Don't do that. Install with the logo to the left. Aw yeah, GeForce RTX 2060. 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. Install is nearly complete. SSD memory is installed in the PCIe slot, RAM is installed, and all connections have been made. Phanteks back panel comes off to install the PSU, route and dress cables, giving a cleaner presentation of components visible from the glass. The Scepter 25 edgeless gaming monitor comes with a screwdriver, stand, hardware, and DisplayPort cable. It's easy to attach the stand, and the display is beautiful. Next, it was time to make the PC operational.
Excellent! What's up guys, welcome back to Paul's Hardware.
Paul's Hardware had the perfect tutorial for setting up a new PC, going over both the BIOS and Windows setup. Now that the PC has been operational for a month, I'm happy to say that it works, it is fast, and I have been more productive with less headaches. Here is audio of how loud the fans get when operating. With the black magic of DaVinci Resolve, which is free,
I now have a PC capable of meeting today's software demands for coding, streaming, and video editing.
Weirdo!
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and subscribe for more.